lost 70 pounds eating big platefuls of delicious, wholesome food, just like this taco loaded sweet potato. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. It's super easy. It is in my book, Plantifully Simple, which is currently $10 off on Amazon. And it is on page 142 if you are cooking along with me. So I'm going to start off by piercing my sweet potatoes. This is not a wives' tale like I thought it was. I exploded some potatoes in my mom's oven. Sorry, Mom. So definitely poke them. Once they're done baking, I'm going to cut this open and then just peel the outside back, and I mash up the inside a little bit and season it with some garlic salt. And then I start to add some warmed up beans that I have drained and rinsed from a can. I'm going to add some corn. Half of the internet comes for me every time I eat some corn, but leave me alone. I'm going to enjoy some corn. Then I add a little bit of my famous cheese sauce, a little guacamole, some pico. Love pico, it's my favorite. And then I'm going to put some of my lime crema on, which this recipe is also in Plantifully Simple for you guys. And there you have it. You have this delicious, wholesome, loaded sweet potato. And it is so good, you guys. And I actually have a confession. I don't love sweet potatoes, but I definitely love sweet potatoes like this. I hope you guys give it a try and enjoy.